One of the coolest things about labs.gravity.com is the fact that the entire team at Rocket Genius can contribute experimental add-ons and features for Gravity Forms and snippets of code that help make the experience of Gravity Forms really great. And it's happening at such a pace that even I can't keep up with the amount of add-ons that are being added to labs.gravity.com. And I find new and exciting add-ons almost every single day. Like this add-on here, the giveaway add-on, which helps site administrators pick a winner in a contest form that you might have set up using Gravity Forms on your WordPress website. Now, just a quick reminder, if this is the first time you've seen labs.gravity.com, it's available for all customers of Gravity Forms at all license levels. You do have to be logged into your account in order to download these add-ons. And they are experimental, such as the giveaway add-on here is in alpha version of this plugin. And the idea behind Labs is for us to experiment and build new things to see how you, the Gravity Forms community, like the feature or add-on or snippet of code, and then do we continue to develop on this stuff. So the giveaway add-on, I could have used 1,000 times in my career of using Gravity Forms. We often have contest forms using Gravity Forms, and I just need a quick and easy way to pick a winner. I could copy and I could paste that into an Excel spreadsheet. I could randomize it. I could use a randomizer website. I could come up with my own logic, but why not use the giveaway add-on? So I already have it downloaded and activated. And just like a lot of add-ons for Gravity Forms, you configure them per form. So I have 3 forms on this test site. I'm going to go to the contest form. I'm going to select giveaway. And by default, of course, it's disabled. So we're going to enable the giveaway add-on. And we have a handful of feature or options here that we have to select, and then that will help set up the workflow for selecting a winner. So we have display name configuration, check the fields to include in the winner name. Selected values are combined in the order shown below. So I would say first name, last name, and I would omit the email from showing the winner. This is just me testing this out as an experiment. So the qualifying fields, entries must have non-empty values for all selected fields to qualify for the draw. So again, this is just an experiment and I'm just testing it for you. So I'm going to say, well, you have to have at least have your name in this field in order for me to, or in order for the system to say that you could be a potential winner. How many drawings do you want to make? 1 per draw. And do you want to have a certain date range? So maybe publicly you're telling people, hey, between July 1st and July 31st, if you enter to win, you can, win by submitting this form. Otherwise, after that date, you're not going to get it. But you're still collecting leads afterwards. Right? So people want to continue to submit the information or the survey or whatever it is that you're asking. This gives you the ability to say, only within this date range are we going to pick winners, but the form itself could still be operational. So I'm going to hit Save Settings just for now. This particular form already has 4 test entries in it. And we're going to open up the giveaway drawing. So I'm going to click that. And it'll say right here, eligible entries. So sorry, I only have 3. Eligible entries 3, previous drawn 0, winners per draw 1, and no date filter, right? So there's no draw history. I haven't run it on this particular form at all. So if I click on draw winners, it just randomly picks my name, Matt Medeiros, and it displays it here. I think if by omitting the email, it's kind of interesting too, because if there's sensitive information that you don't want to show, like an email address, but maybe you're kind of live streaming something and you're sharing your screen, or you're in a Zoom session or a podcast, be able to run this here without showing somebody's sensitive, contact information and just having the name would be a cool thing. So you can save the record or confirm the winner, and then we will click on confirm the winner, and that's it. And now it's sort of etched into the history of this form for picking the winner. Now, maybe there's multiple drawings that happen. You can then draw again. Now it's going to say the eligible entries are only 2. So we've already picked a winner. There's only 2 left. And when we draw the winners here, Bob Smith wins. I was trying to get Tom Brady to win because Tom Brady's an entry here. I guess he can't win at everything, especially my Gravity Forms video. So now Bob Smith is the winner. We'll hit save record there, and now Bob will be etched in there. And the only other winner left is, in fact, Tom Brady. So giveaway add-on for Gravity Forms only at labs.gravity.com. Check it out. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to pick a winner for your contest drawing, labs.gravity.com, available for all license plans here at Gravity Forms. Thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want more. Leave a comment below. What are you going to do with giveaway? What are you giving away with Gravity Forms? Let us know in the comments. We'll see you in the next video.